we're going to talk about something very important for learning English and improving yourself: setting simple goals and achieving them. This skill will help you become better at English and feel good about your progress. Let's begin. What is a goal? First, let's understand what a goal is. A goal is something you want to do or achieve. It's like a target you want to hit. In English, we often use the word goal when we talk about sports, especially football or soccer. The players try to kick the ball into the goal. But we also use this word for things we want to achieve in life or in our studies. For example, a goal in football: score more points than the other team. A goal in English learning: speak English for 10 minutes every day. Both of these are goals, but today we're focusing on goals for learning English. Why are goals important? Setting goals is very important when you're learning something new, like English. Here's why. 1. Goals give you direction. They help you know what to do next. 2. Goals keep you motivated. When you have a goal, you have a reason to keep studying. 3. Goals help you see your progress. You can look back and see how far you've come. 4. Goals make you feel good. When you reach a goal, you feel happy and proud. How to set simple goals. Now, let's learn how to set simple goals for learning English. Remember, we want to make our goals easy to understand and achieve. Here are the steps. 1. Think about what you want to do in English. Do you want to speak better? Read more? Learn new words? 2. Make your goal small and easy. Don't try to do too much at once. Small steps are better. 3. Be specific. Say exactly what you want to do. This makes your goal clear. 4. Set a time. Decide when you want to achieve your goal. This helps you stay on track. 5. Write your goal down. Writing helps you remember and commit to your goal. Let's practice making goals with some examples. Bad goal: learn English. This is too big and not specific. Good goal: learn 5 new English words about food this week. This is small, specific, and has a time limit. Bad goal: watch English videos. This is not specific and doesn't have a time limit. Good goal: watch one 5-minute English video every day for a month. This is specific, has a clear time, and is easy to do. Examples of simple English learning goals. Here are more examples of good simple goals for A2 level English learners. 1. Read one short English story, 100-200 words, every week for a month. 2. Write 3 sentences in English about your day, every day for 2 weeks. 3. Learn how to say the days of the week and months in English by next Monday. 4. Have a 5-minute conversation in English with a friend or language partner twice a week. 5. Listen to one English song and write down 5 words you hear, every week for a month. 6. Practice saying the alphabet in English for 2 minutes every day for a week. 7. Learn 3 new phrases for ordering food in English by the end of the month. 8. Watch an English movie with subtitles in your language, then watch it again with English subtitles. Remember, these goals are small and specific. They're perfect for A2 level learners because they focus on basic vocabulary, simple conversations, and everyday topics. Steps to achieve your goals. Setting a goal is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about how to achieve your goals. 1. Plan. Decide when and how you will work on your goal. Choose a specific time each day or week for your English practice. Get the things you need, like books, apps, or videos. 2. Start. Begin working on your goal today. Don't wait. Do a little bit every day. Consistency is key. 3. Check Look at your progress every few days or every week. Ask yourself, am I getting closer to my goal? If you're having trouble, think about why and how you can fix it. 4. Adjust. If your goal is too hard, make it a little easier. If it's too easy, make it a bit more challenging. It's okay to change your goal if you need to. 5. Celebrate. Be happy when you reach your goal. Tell a friend or family member about your success. Give yourself a small reward, like watching your favorite English TV show. 6. Set a new goal. After you achieve one goal, set another one. Each new goal will help you improve your English more and more. Tips for success. Here are some extra tips to help you achieve your English learning goals. 1. Be patient. Learning takes time. Don't get upset if you don't see results right away. 2. Practice regularly. A little bit every day is better than a lot once a week. 3. Use different methods. Try books, apps, videos, and talking with people to learn English. 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. They help you improve. 5. Find a study buddy. Learning with a friend can make it more fun and keep you motivated. 6. Use English in your daily life. Try to use the English you know whenever you can. 7. Keep a journal. Write down what you learn and how you feel about your progress. 8. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking English well. This can help motivate you. Practice exercises. Let's practice setting and working towards goals with these exercises. Exercise 1. Setting a goal. Think about your English learning. What do you want to improve? Write a simple goal using the steps we learned. Share your goal with a friend or in the comments below. Exercise 2. Making a plan. Look at the goal you wrote in Exercise 1. Write down 3 small steps you can take to achieve this goal. Decide when you will do each step. Exercise 3. Tracking progress. Draw a simple chart or calendar. Each day you work on your goal. Put a star or happy face on the chart. At the end of the week, count how many stars you have. Exercise 4. Celebrating success. Think about a small reward you can give yourself when you reach your goal. Write it down and keep it somewhere you can see it. Exercise 5. Reflection. At the end of each week, answer these questions. 1. What did I do well this week? 2. What was difficult for me? 3. What can I do differently next week? Remember, friends, setting and achieving goals is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Don't worry if it feels hard at first. Keep trying, and you'll see improvement in your English and in your ability to reach your goals. Conclusion. Setting simple goals and achieving them is a powerful way to improve your English. It helps you focus, stay motivated, and see your progress. Here's a quick summary of what we learned. 1. A goal is something you want to achieve. 2. Good goals are small, specific, and have a time limit. 3. Follow the steps. Plan, start, check, adjust, celebrate, and set a new goal. 4. Use the tips for success to help you along the way. 5. Practice setting and working towards goals regularly. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to speaking English well. Be proud of every goal you achieve, no matter how small. You are making progress. Now it's your turn. What is your simple English goal for this week? Write it down, make a plan, and start today. You can do it. Thank you for learning with English with Sophia. Keep practicing, keep setting goals, and keep improving your English. See you in the next lesson.